possessions, burying the Jeep in this deficit. Nang tanungin natin si Assistant Coach Jaren Harencio how they're looking to adjust their defense against George King, they are looking to hinder him.
Buti na amoy siya ni George King.
Kulang kasi yung pagtatago doon sa corner ng bench. Dapat yung talagang hindi siya nakikita.
Strings with a hook. Quick trigger three. Hindi umubra para kay Jeric. Maverick para sa board. Bravo leaves it. They go inside the Chu. There you go, big fella.
So, until you make a basket, and it's not just one or two, kung mga nakatatlo ka na, doon saka mag-a-adjust ang depensa.
Wami with a baseline jumper. Sabi ni Coach Peter, they expected the run, but it's time to punch back, and that's exactly what George King had in mind.
Mga manlalaro, di lamang yan. So, ibig sabihin, yung kinrokes ng kanilang coach.
Ahanisi nagtinikling, binigay kay CJ na ipit ng tatlo. Paraiso with a steal. He's got King in front of him. They go the other way with Aljon Mariano. The lefty layup is good.
Itong si Mariano.
King drops it off to Brondial. Kababalik lang ni Rodney. And instant offense ang pinadala. Paraiso goes reverse. Chu trying to get that board, but it is bothered and slapped away by King. Sharing to CJ. Sabi ni George King, may mga sling spot doon dahil dalawa sila ni Chu na bumagsak sa side na yan. Sabi ni Wami, dire-diretso, Chu is there to clean it up.
Sariling sikap itong si Chu. Dapat ang mentality ng big and small combination.
Paraiso takes it all the way. He'll go. Strings is there to clean it up. Came all the way back to within one before losing in the end. Then they were down 16 against Converge. Actually erased that deficit. Pero merong finishing kick.
Hindi ka nagpapanik eh.
Swapping-swapping, no?
Oo, ganda tingnan pag tumitira.
Brondial from Anisi. Pulot-pulot lang para kay Rodney.
Easy basket, quick.
Largest was 22 to sa simula ng ating third. Nung unang makabasket ang SMB. Inside they go. Paraiso tracked it down. Here comes Strings. Justin stops at the elbow. Jumper's good.
His range from the outside still a developing.
Jericho nagpakawala. Di mubra sa tres. Rebound na kanino. Nawala kay Brondial. Wami bounces. Paraiso is off and running. We got an 8-point game.
And this is the kind of
By Wami from Brondial. And then the feed to Paraiso on the run.
hindi na ganun itong terra firma. Kaya pati mga fans natin, nag-aantabay na dito sa kapunan na ito.
Ross nanakaw sana. Junmar with the board. First basket of the game para kay Abay.
Minama!
Bigat nung pintik ni Abay.
Pero yung paghiga niya, habang nakita natin yung tira na yon ni Chong Son for another basket.